Where's Doofy?
Yay.
Here goes Doofy.
You didn't know where the last corner was?
No, I found it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ship's ready for takeoff.
Okay.
Don't drop him.
Oh! 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 You're heavy, boy.
Got him tight?
You weigh like 100 pounds. And you're only 4. Oh! Oh!
Daddy,
What?
I actually only weigh 4 pounds and I'm only 4.
You only weigh 4 pounds because you're only 4.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's how that works, but okay. All right, going down.
I'm too busy.
I'm tired. Say hi to the